Hi, welcome to Motivision, AI and Inspiration, Samir. Today I'm going to show you how to use AirScreen TV, a wireless streaming sender that lets you share and stream your favorite media content from your Windows or Mac computer to your TV or projector. AirScreen TV is compatible with AirPlay, Cast, and DLNA, so you can use it with various devices and platforms. Whether you want to watch movies, play games, make presentations, or browse the web, AirScreen TV can help you enjoy them on a bigger and better display. To use AirScreen TV, you need to install it on the sending device only. The sending device can be a Windows or Mac computer. You can download AirScreen TV from the official website or from the Microsoft Store. Once you have installed AirScreen TV, you can open it and customize some settings, such as the device name, the resolution, the audio output, and the access control. To stream content from your computer to your TV or projector, you need to make sure they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, depending on the protocol you want to use, you need to follow different steps. For example, if you want to use AirPlay from your iPhone or iPad, you need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap on screen mirroring. Then you will see a list of available devices and you can select the one that has AirScreen TV running on it. If you want to use Cast from your Android phone or tablet, you need to open the app that supports Cast, such as YouTube or Netflix, and tap on the Cast icon. Then you will see a list of available devices and you can select the one that has AirScreen TV running on it. Once you have connected your computer and your TV or projector, you can start streaming your media content. You will see your computer screen mirrored on your TV or projector screen. You can also use your computer as a remote control to pause, play, skip, or adjust the volume of your content. One of the best features of AirScreen TV is that it allows you to multitask while streaming. You can check your emails or reply to them, continue chatting with your friends or colleagues, or join a Teams or Zoom call without interrupting your streaming session. You can also switch between different apps or windows on your computer and stream them seamlessly. This way, you can enjoy your favorite show while staying productive and connected. AirScreen TV is a great app that allows you to share and stream your media content wirelessly and easily. It supports multiple protocols and platforms and offers many advantages such as high-quality video and audio, low latency, easy setup, and more. It is also free to download and use for personal purposes. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to use AirScreen TV. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of content you like to stream with AirScreen TV. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I am giving you a link to download the AirScreen in the description below. Down pointing finger, down pointing finger, down pointing finger. Some additional information. With AirScreen TV by Mobius, you can also secure peace of mind with encrypted transfers that protect your data from unauthorized access. Webinars while you work? No problem. With AirScreen TV by Mobius, you can stream live events or recorded sessions from your computer to your TV or projector without missing any important information. If you want to learn more about AirScreen TV by Mobius and its features, visit their website given in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.